This is JP. He's the, him and his father run the stucco company that we're using to do this project. They've been working with us for about a half a dozen years, and it's the 15th of June. And JP, take it away.
Awesome. So this is a big thing that you guys love to do, is a lot of the metal and the EFIS systems together. They look absolutely great. They complement each other amazingly. The biggest reason we love working for you guys is because we're able to use these two tones and the bright colors and the great just multiples of everything between the metal, the EFIS, wood, absolutely everything. It's always a great time working for you guys. It always keeps it really fun, and it's nice to be able to do something different. So you can see here we have the grooves cut to kind of split up the wall and really give it that really cool two-tone look with the different size panels. It looks great. It complements the metal really well. It's not overly bright. It's not overly flashy, but you really get to see absolutely everything with the two colors, the different size panels and everything. We absolutely love working with you guys because every time we come to a new job, it's always something different, whether it be the colors, the mix match of the metal and the EFIS, and it's always just a great time. Everything just blends and flows really well. As you can see, like the trim pieces and everything just kind of floats, and it just stands out above absolutely anything else that you see in the neighborhood. The mix match of the metal and the EFIS, it absolutely goes wonderful. It just looks absolutely great.
Okay, JP, thanks very much.
No problem. Thank you.
Thanks for doing such a nice job.